Today I'm taking you under our deck. Now, I know that this video is going to look a little different than a lot of my videos, but I hope you enjoy this really relaxed approach. It's really hot here in Missouri, about 100 degrees, and that is not including the humidity. And I was so excited to get down on the lake with our girls. Now, I wanted to also share everything about our underdecking because I absolutely love it. It's not sponsored. We decided to install underdecking for a few reasons. First and foremost, it was to take water away from our home. Now, if you've watched previous videos and read some of my blog posts, you'll know that we have had a lot of water issues. We do experience some really heavy storms here at the lake, and we needed, just to make it all function, make it all work, make it dry. Function, of course, is always more important than design, but I love to blend the two together. So adding underdecking to our home has allowed us to move the water away from our home. Proper flashing and drainage is key. Also wanted to extend our living space. We like to entertain down here quite a bit, and really the more space the better, but keeping it really effortless to maintain. And underdecking achieves both of these things. When you cover underneath the deck, instead of having the water drain through the deck, it drains out along the side, and it all goes down gutter systems that actually look like crown molding. So again, we're blending function and design while making another usable space in our home. It's really nice and enjoyable here any hour of the day because it's shaded thanks to the underdecking and the deck itself. This has become such a great place to not just relax and hang out in the evenings, but really all day. It's a great place for the girls to hang out in the morning. We can also play games like bags and my very, very favorite, the tiki toss. Underdecking gives a finished appearance as well. I don't love the way that the area underneath the deck looks. Well, I mean, unless you're Sinclair and Moore, but every little thing he does is fabulous. Anyways, I love the finished appearance that it provides as well. So it's really functional and design friendly, keeping the water away from our home, giving it that finished appearance, extending our living space, and giving us another place to hang out. It is so easy to install. The flashing moves the water away from the home. That was installed between the decking and the ceiling of the underdecking. Tracks inside of the ceiling of the underdecking keep the water moving. It allows the gutter to drain it all out. It actually is super simple to clean from above as well. I know that could be kind of a concern of leaves getting stuck in there. So we can spray it down, and when you hose it all out, it all comes out through the gutter system. It works fabulously. But the reason I chose this underdecking system called Inside Out is because of the design. It is by far the most seamless and beautiful that I found. Again, the gutters look like crown molding. It reflects light into our home rather than making it darker, and we love to use that lower living room. So I did not want to make that room feel like a dungeon to enjoy this outdoor room outside. I cannot wait to furnish it and show you the finished result. I spent an unreasonable amount of time researching all of this because I really stressed over it. So if I can answer any questions for you at all, of course I am more than happy to. Please leave them in the comments below. As always, thank you so much for stopping by. Don't forget to click subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you again soon.